Hello everyone, today I'm going to be picking the assa 700. Here's the key, it does work. Here's the hook I'm going to be using. This is the deep hook. I would use one of my own, but they're either too big or too small. Not really suited for these medium type skeways. Tension, I'm going to be using this. Just something I made for this lock. Fits in there snugly. And for float picking, when I get to that, I'm going to be using this. Just shoving that right up here, going both ways. Okay. Just gonna get this a little bit better for the camera. There we go. Awkward angle here for the vise, but should be fine. Kind of sliding off a little bit. Okay. First step is to pick the tapered pins. Got those set. Just using very stout tension when picking tapered. It makes their tapered part not really matter. Okay. Activating float picking. Going to pick the first pins. Click on one. Two spending, or I know it's spending. Gonna bounce on pin 2. Try and get it set. I think I got that set. 3 is the tapered, not gonna pick that. I believe I got 4 set. Passing on pin 7, lots fell. I think I got 7 set. Okay. Bouncing on pin 2. And we got this open. Alright. Just going to keep the lock in front so that you know nothing tricky is going on, as usual. Lock doesn't have a bottom clip, just so that you don't have to watch me going through. Jesus Christ. Just so that you don't have to watch me going through 20 minutes of trying to remove that. This tripods here really aren't that good. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put my vise down. So you can see it's the same lock as when the camera fell down. The same position, everything. Okay. Follower. Going to lock it back up now. Inserting a key, getting it turned. And I'm actually going to turn it full 180 degrees. And I'm going to flip the lock up like this. Battery is dying, don't want that. $180 degrees, just like that. Oh, like that. Okay. Could use shim spreaders, but too lazy. Put them in. This works fine. There we go. Here we have key pins. Need to get them first. Pin number 1 is a torpedo. 2 is a torpedo. 3 is a standard. 4 is a torpedo. 5 is a number 5. Yep, that's a standard. 6 is a torpedo. 7 is a torpedo. We have this. 1 say again, 2 say Christmas tree pen, 3 say tapered, 4 say again, 5 say oops tapered, 6 say Christmas tree, 7 say tapered. Of course we have these springs. Oops. They're just standard springs. Nothing interesting about them going on. And here we have the lock. Just a quick close up on the pins. And of course the plug needs to be shown as well. Almost forgot. Show that it does have counter milling. We're gonna get that. There we are. Here we are. And I'm gonna use this. Hook number 2 from the advanced kit that I put together. And if you listen now, you'll hear it and maybe see it. Let me see. Yeah, I can sort of make it out. It's a dirty lock. I'm sorry. Yeah, I just plucked these anti-drill holes with tape. So tired of getting these pins stuck in there. Anyways, that is the assa 700 float picked and gutted. Thank you very much for watching.